All right, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. Today might be a first. It might be the first video on YouTube to show you what's inside these columns. That's right, these are called columns. And you know where they go? They go inside an oxygenator. That's right, a portable oxygenator. These go in there, and these need to be changed occasionally, about once a year. So that means we're going to be running into these, a lot of them. You're going to be finding these in the garbage, and when you do, you'll know what they are if you stick around and watch this video, because we're going to take these screws out and see what's in there. Hopefully it won't release a poisonous gas and make me die, but we'll find out. So stick with us. Gonna take those out. Oh, and also, look at that. That's stainless steel. This aluminum. So all right, let's take the 3 screws out and we'll see what's in there. What makes the oxygen? Something inside here, I think, makes the oxygen. Takes the oxygen out of the air. It separates it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. All right, I'm holding pressure down on it because I don't know if something might be spring loaded, or don't want to get hit in the face with it. But yeah, they're called columns, and they're about $110 for this one. Came from my father's Oxygenator. It feels a little spring loaded. Yeah, but not real powerful springs. No noxious gases are coming out. All right, look at that. Looks like ice cream. It's hard though, really hard. Wonder if the noxious gas is underneath that hard stuff. Oh boy. Oh, look at there. We got some powdery stuff going on. Looks like oatmeal, but I wouldn't eat it. All right. What can we dump that out on? See, there's a little valve on the bottom. So it must go through this, and then I'm not sure what it does while it's going through there. But let's pour that out on this paper here, and we'll see. Oh, now it's turning brown. Oh, look at there. All right, it appears that there's another one of those white things down on the bottom. Another one of those, it appears. So I don't know if we'll be able to get that one out of there. Or if we'll have to try to push something down in there to push that out of there. Will that fit through there? Oh, it did. Look at that. Now I think if we oh, look at there. Can you see that down in there? Now I think we just get this little rubber O-ring off of there, we'll have good clean aluminum. I think it's, I don't know if it's old sheet or what it's gonna be, but what can I get that off there with? How about this thing here? Will that come off there? Come on. Try to cut it. It's not wanting to cut. There we go. Okay, so that's clean aluminum. Clean aluminum there. Huh, come on. Oh, that's right, this one we didn't pop yet. Where am I gonna get rid of this stuff? I need to get a garbage bag going. Oh, look at there. All right. Now, which end of this fit in there? Not that one. There we go. Funny, that end won't go in, but this one does. All right, take this off here. And then we got to get that little rubber grommet off of there. There we go. And we got some clean cast aluminum. Now if you take that sticker off if you want. How much does it weigh? How much does it weigh, you ask? It's 3.5 ounces. 3.5 ounces. And then of course we got this little piece of stainless steel. I believe it's stainless steel because it's non-magnetic. It doesn't stick, see? She don't stick. No sticky, like these things. Those sticky. All right, should we see if it sparks? All right, we'll do that. We'll see if it sparks. We'll see if she sparks. Oh yeah, I saw some sparkies there. All right, y'all. Thank you much for stopping by the channel. Remember to share it, hit the like button, tell your friends, family, all that stuff. Check out the merch store. We got some really cool new shirts in there. And watch one of the videos that's on screen now.